Everybody looks for solutions to problems, isn't it? That's a big thing that's stopping us from experiencing happiness. That's a big thing that's stopping us from making happiness happen. Who is it that doesn't want to make happiness happen? It's problems that stop them. It could be a health problem, could be a financial problem, could be a relationship problem. Stopping you from crafting your happiness. We all want to do it. All want the solutions to these problems, isn't it? There's no lock in the world that was created without a key. I don't know why would somebody make a lock without a key. Every lock that was made was created with a key. And so every problem, every challenge, every issue that's there in our life, which is like a lock and seems like a deadlock and dead end, has a key. It's not seen now. It's not visible to us right now. You don't know where the key is. You're all searching for that key. कैसे ताला खुले और problem सुलझ जाए, थोड़ा शांति मिले, खुशी मिले यार. How do I get a solution to that problem? You know what? Every lock comes with a key and every problem with a solution. Some of your problems can actually be solved, and some of your problems literally cannot be solved, but can be solved by becoming stronger to face them. That's the key. That's the key. और इसीलिए हर समस्या के ना जी दो सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. या तो भाग लो या भाग लो. There's only two things you can do. या तो भाग लो, run away, या भाग लो, participate, face it, deal with it. Which is why a lot of times I say, just because someone is happy and just because someone is smiling doesn't mean they don't have issues. Doesn't mean they don't have problems. Doesn't mean they don't have challenges. Just because कोई मुस्कुरा रहा है, just because कोई अपने लाइफ में खुश है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनकी लाइफ में चैलेंजेस नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनकी लाइफ में डिफिकल्टीज नहीं है. The difference is they've chosen to deal with whatever they can do with their problem, they deal with it, but they've chosen to shift their attention to something else in their life. If your attention is always on your problem and only problems are on your mind, constantly just occupied by issues, problems, challenges, the difficulties, the troubles, the emotional hurt, the wounds that have happened, how are you going to make happiness happen?